What's up everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a factor tree. To start off, we're going to pick a double-digit number to divide up. So I'm going to do 44. So I got my 44 here, and the point of this is to end and divide it up into prime numbers that can multiply up to 44. So we're going to so what two numbers can multiply up to 44? So that will be 11 times 4. So 11 and 4. As we can see, 11 is a prime number, so we can keep the 11, but the 4 is a composite number, so we have to break that down and bring down the 11 since we can still bring it down since it's a prime number. But we have to divide the 4 into two lines because it's a composite number. So 2 times 2 equals 4, and 2 is a prime number, and 11 is a prime number, and then we got our answer. 11 times 2 equals 44. Hope this was very useful to you guys. See you next time.